Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I got a quick tool haul from Home Depot. Picked up some Crescent Apex as well as Milwaukee scissors. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so today I got a quick video. This is going to be just a quick little tool haul. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon. So I've been staring at all of these for a while. I figured I'd grab them. Cost 70 something bucks for everything that I grabbed here. We're going to move these out the way. Ended up picking up this little lighting book that was sitting next to some of the lights for Milwaukee. So I picked up what the receipt says, 72 bucks. One pair, the 8.5 inch Crescent scissors are $6.97. One pair was $11.97 and one pair was $14.97. 10 inch and 10 inch. One is serrated, one's not serrated. $14.97 for the job site scissors, straight not serrated for the Milwaukee, and $17 for the serrated. So that's what I picked up. So we got these guys right here. So these are serrated. These don't fit too bad. Definitely my fingers are not going to go all the way in there, but if I use 3, should be fine. So 4 inch right here. These have a marking of 3 inch. These are not serrated. They are smooth, burr-free cuts. So the serrated is 48-22-4040. These are metal design all the way through. All metal handles, up to 10 times longer life. These are the smooth, which job site straight scissors, and these are job site offset scissors. And you can see that these are straight, these are offset. So the smooth straight is 48-22-4041. Picked up these guys right here, these are the serrated. These are Crescent Wise. Job site use. Part number for these is Charlie, William, 10, Tony, Mary. These have a lot bigger handle. My whole hand will fit in there. Perfectly comfortable. They're very nice. Extra long 4 inch cut. These are serrated. So inline tradesman. So these are in line with this handle. These are definitely not bent like the Milwaukee's are. These are serrated, increased cut control edge, inline handle for cut strength, extra long 4 inch cuts, titanium coated blades for use with landscaping, flooring, roofing, and siding, and more. This actually shows right hand. They do have a left hand version of this at Home Depot as well. Full metal core, so the cores are right here. Heavy duty titanium coated stainless steel blades for powerful cutting, serrated bottom blades, grip material for cleaner cuts and greater control. Full metal blade tang extends through handles for durable and strength. Ergonomic design optimizes handle contact points to maximize comfort and control. So that's those guys. And then picked up, these are general purpose. So these are, so the prices go this way. These right here on the far left for the Milwaukee are the $17.97. These for the Milwaukee are $14.97. These right here that I just showed you are $14.97. These guys right here that we're just going to talk about real quick, these are $11.97, and these little guys right here that we'll talk about last are $6.97. So these are part number Charlie, William, 10, Tony. These are general use. These are not serrated. These are professional shears. Knife more precise cuts. Edge offset handle for cut clearance. Comfortable grip titanium coated blades. So this is offset compared to this one, which doesn't look like it is to me, because it says this one is in line. That might be a little bit offset. Kind of hard to tell. These say use for heavy fabric, cardboard, leather, and plastic, and more. Right hand. I'm sure you can use these right-handed ones in your left hand too, if you wanted to. Feels the same. It's just that these are located as right and left because the inside is beveled out, and this side is not. So this is going to be more comfortable on your thumb if you're right-handed. So precision ground titanium coated stainless steel blade for smooth cutting. Offset design keeps hands above material during cutting. Ergonomic design optimizes handle contact points to maximize comfort and control. And TPR comfort grip handle is strategically textured to increase grip and comfort. Also available in left-hand version. So these are nice. And the last ones that are $6.97 are these little guys right here. These are part number Charlie Whiskey 812, S as in Sam. These are all-purpose scissors, stainless steel blade, so these are not titanium coated. Used for light fabric, thin plastic, cardboard, and more. These show both hands, right and left hand use. Because this isn't beveled. It's beveled the exactly same on each side. Doesn't matter which side you're looking at. So, and these, I like the handles on these Crescents. They're very, very comfortable. I can fit all of my fingers in quite comfortably. I'm going to have to, I can't put my hand very far in these. Only way I can is if I remove my pinky. Or I remove... Well, that actually fits pretty well. I can actually put my index finger on this hook right here, so it does actually fit pretty nice that way. So these also state on them, stainless steel blades for corrosion resistance. Adjustable pivot allows fine tuning for optimal cutting performance. Ambidextrous handle design accommodates right and left hand use. I'm going to separate the unboxing from this video so this video isn't too long. So we're going to just unbox these in the next video. Take a look at them and probably grab some paper and a couple items. Probably cut up some of this plastic from the Milwaukee ones. See how well they do. I pick these up for, when I'm cutting some really thick plastic for the channel, when I do videos or, unboxing small things, stuff like that. Sometimes I've noticed the Ryobi packaging is a lot thicker on the clamshells than like Milwaukee for certain things. So these are just going to be a lot easier than like shears, little smaller shears, because these... they're very hard. They're good. These cut really well. I got these from Harbor Freight. They cut extremely well and they're serrated, but they're just really short. And when it comes to plastic, it's in line, so the problem is the plastic ends up jabbing my hand, and I can't cut much with these. We're talking like 2.5 inches max. So these are going to be really helpful for cutting plastic, as well as I'm going to use them for other things. It's going to be nice to have some really good scissors around the house, or even when I'm working outside for other things. So do appreciate you guys sticking around. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools. Appreciate you guys watching. Want to say thank you to all the subscribers, non-subscribers. the people that like, dislike, the people that comment, the people that watch the ads every once in a while on the channel, and even use the affiliate links. You guys are the reason that the channel is monetized. Got tons and tons of head-to-head content coming for you guys between Milwaukee, DeWalt, Ryobi, Bosch Stick, Metabo, Bosch, Metabo, HPT, Hitachi Power Tools, Earthquake XT, and many, many other tool brands. If anybody wants to send some Ryobi tools to the channel for testing against other tools, let me know in the comments, or email me. Email is on the about information on the YouTube channel. I will send the tools back as soon as the videos are done. If that's something you guys are interested in, it'd be much appreciated to get a little help on the videos. The more help I can get, the more videos I can get out to you guys for testing, whatever you guys want to see. Let me know. And if any of the tool brands I named is interesting, including Milwaukee and everybody else, Makita, we've got tons. We've got different, every single battery platform, battery variant of all of those brands other than Ryobi. But if any of that interests you guys, smush the bell notification icon, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!